Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Rochelle Moultrie. I am a licensed realtor servicing both Georgia and Florida, brokered by eXp Realty. I am out here in Henry County in the city of McDonough. This home is built by Starlight Homes and this is one of their most popular floor plans. It's called the Astor. This is a 4-bedroom and 3-bathroom home with over 2,000 square feet. This is a single level open kitchen with a private bedroom suite and covered patios both in the front and in the back. Now what I absolutely love about this community is that they not only offer ranch style homes, but they also have 2-story as well as townhomes. This community also offers on all of their property 4-sided brick. So another absolutely lovely opportunity is to move into this home with all appliances included. Yes, all appliances. That's your dishwasher, your refrigerator, your microwave, and that includes your washer and dryer. Now, if you are a first-time home buyer or just simply looking to downsize, here's a great opportunity for you. If you have a credit score between 580 to 620, you could qualify for their 5-1 rate buy down, with the interest rate starting at 3.25 for the first 5 years of your mortgage and going up 1% every year after. So if you are in Henry County looking to purchase, go ahead and send me a message. Click the links in the description to connect with me and enjoy this tour. And let me know what you guys think, okay? Comment, like, and share, and definitely subscribe to the channel. Thank you.